In today's fast-paced world, the banking industry needs to stay ahead of the curve. That's where Lateetud comes in. We provide data, AI, and collaboration solutions for the banking industry, empowering meaningful outcomes across the lending journey. Our solutions help you deliver exceptional customer experiences. Enhance customer engagement by creating solutions to reach and interact with customers effectively, increasing loyalty, retention, and branding. Empower team collaboration and productivity by providing solutions that streamline communication, automate workflows, and improve access to information. Improve lending and operational insights by uniting data silos and applying advanced analytics and AI to reveal actionable insights that help make better, smarter lending and operational decisions. Lateetud enables AI and automation in banking. We provide a complete digital front for loan origination, onboarding, self-service, and customer portals. Power these processes with AI and machine learning-powered automated underwriting and eKYC AML checks, unified customer profiles, and automated workflows for an integrated, efficient, and personalized experience. Deliver excellent customer support through generative AI-enabled chatbots, digital contact center solutions powered by AI, and Smart Assist for CSRs. Leverage the cloud for financial services to enable digital transformation, faster credit decisions, and ease of use and ownership of automations. With Lateetud solutions for the banking industry, you can stay ahead of the curve and deliver exceptional experiences for your customers. Contact us today to learn more.